case, this is the second perfume by Paris Corner and Aroma Concepts collab. I really, really, truly wanted to love this perfume. But the best way to describe this is a home fragrance oil burner oil. When you walk into a home goods showcase where this is burning in the background to create an atmosphere, or at the body shop fragrance oil burners, this is that perfume. It's just a mess. I can't believe this was actually hyped up as much as it was. So unfortunately, I left notes for Aroma Concepts and Paris Corner to possibly have them reformulate this because it's just not wearable. It is if you probably were to douse it with a musk perfume or another gourmand perfume with a better, heavier coffee note. There's two that I know of that are coffee perfumes that might help this, but you're still going to have to add another musk to balance this out. But I gave aroma chemical notes for them to use instead of what they used inside this. I suggested Peru balsam. There's a artificial called Olaplex that's with that same title. It contains cinnamon and coriamin fragrance notes, which gives you that tonka-like vanillic scent with the cinnamon, but not as sharp as cinnamon is. And then there's a aroma chemical called espresso distillate, which gives you the coffee note. It's very heavy and would actually make a better use of the fragrance. Then there's another one that's it's just a chemical name, 5-methyl-2-phenyl-2-hexanol, which is a gourmand mocha cocoa aroma chemical. And then there's the Madeleine Key Accord, which gives you that the ladyfingers note that is found in the actual bake of tiramisu. And then there's chocolate Chocovan Tech by Givaudan, which gives you the powdery cocoa vanilla scent that you would find in dusting cocoa. And to give it more of a perfume feel, I suggested D'Ambre, which is a woody amber dry musk, and Azarbre, which is a honey woody orris note. And then there's another chemical called methyl silopentanol. I know I'm going to butcher this. Pentanolone, which gives you the caramelic, sweet, burnt coffee note that would come with the bake. And then I suggested one note to add that lemon note that you get from the mascarpone cheese, and that's citral dimethyl acetal, which it's softer than regular citral, and it would add that top note that's necessary for this perfume. So you should get a light citrus opening with a deep, rich coffee and cocoa notes, and then towards the end you get the buttery cake note with the musks and the amber which should make this a more wearable perfume. This is not it. This is a good fragrance spray for your room. Maybe if you want to layer it with 2 other perfumes to make it a gourmand, but this reads as home fragrance.